How to see sent requests on Instagram and cancel them. Open your Instagram app. Go to the settings. Instagram has been changing things around lately. Previously, it was very easy to look up your Instagram sent follow requests on both Android and iPhone. Now in this video, I will show you how to define follow request on Instagram after update. Tap on Download your information. Tap on Request a download. Select types of information. Now select followers and following. Select your date range. Tap on Submit Request. After Submit Request, you have to wait couple of minutes, and you will able download requested file. After download, you may ask to enter your Instagram password. Go to your device download folder and find Instagram downloaded data. Extract your files here. Now tap on Followers and Following. Tap on Pending Follow Requests. Here you will find your all pending follow requests. And if you want to cancel them, tap on Profile Names. Now tap on Requested and Cancel. Hope you have successfully find follow request AMD cancel. If you found this video helpful, then do not forget to subscribe and share with your friends.